still share it. Apologies to the fans, I hope you can understand it. Like you change your directions, even when you ain't planned it. All you can do is handle it, worst thing you can do is panic. Use it to your advantage, avoid insanity, manage to conquer every obstacle, make impossible possible. Even when winning's illogical, losing still far from optional. And yeah, they wanna see you shot up in the hospital, but when life throw punches, block your counter like a boxer do. Been locked inside because of too long. I did a song to make it known that the king lives on, pimpin'. I ain't dead, no, I ain't done, no, I ain't scared, what, I ain't run, still I stand, yeah, no matter what, and here I am, yeah, no matter what, but I ain't break, never, I ain't hold, no, they hate me, so yeah, I know, here I go, yeah, no matter what, shout it, here I go, no matter what, shout it, hey, even in solitude, they still know how to do. I show you how to do what you do, you ain't got a clue. All you do is follow dudes, sound like a lot of dudes. I weather whatever storm, make it out without a bruise. I understand why, now when my hands tied, they take shots, cause if I'm out there it's a landslide. But revenge is best served as a cold dish, and suckers will get served, nigga, no shit. Guess it was understood, for me it was over with, but I don't quit. If you ain't noticed yet, they couldn't wait to say good night, shout it, so they could try to rhyme, act and look like shout it. Go get a beat from Toomp and make a hook like shout it. Before you know it, I'm back, what it look like shout it. I lost my partner and my daughter in the same year. Somehow I rise above my problems and remain here. Yeah, and I hope the picture painted clear. If your heart filled with faith, then you can't feel. Wonder how I face years and I'm still chillin' easy. Let go and let God deal with it. I ain't dead, no, I ain't done, no, I ain't scared, what, I ain't run, still I stand, yeah, no matter what, and here I am, yeah, no matter what, but I ain't break, never, I ain't hold, no, they hate me more, so yeah, I know, here I go, yeah, no matter what, shout it, here I go, no matter what, shout it.
Salud. Por la salud. Primero yo. Cómetelo, joven. Cómetelo. Aquí estoy con mi vario, listo a hacer feria. Cartel Cypress Hill está en tu área, colectando queso allá en México, donde el sol quema duro y baja despacio. Tengo mis camaradas y todo está bien. Tengo una mansión en tierra que mide 100 y todos se den cuenta, vengo a hacer tranzas. Como Chalino aquí estoy pa' la raza. Me ven en mi ranfla con todos los hierros, cuidando mi negocio con todo mi perro. No trates nada, tengo mis soldados, espíritu asesinos vienen preparados. Raperos desesperados es nuestra tema, el dicho de nosotros, agarra la crema.
Tequila sunrise, con los ojos rojos un día vamos a morir escandaloso. Tequila sunrise, con los ojos rojos un día vamos a morir escandaloso. Nunca conocí dinero así en mis manos hasta que conocí un camarada como hermano. No importa dónde miro, tiene a todos asustados, corriendo por cubre con más que 20 matados. Pero como guerrero me enseñó la foto grande, así vendiendo drogas jamás, nunca andes. No como rateros que no entienden o comprenden. No pases años torcido con placas en tu frente, ¿entiendes? Me dio una copa y tomé el sabor malo del gusano. Me jamé dándome lecciones, me cachetó y dijo mira, eres mi mejor paisa pero nunca me miras. Lo que digo y te hago rico, chico. Ratas duermen en hoyos, no me cruces o te pico. Que no se te olviden las reglas del juego, te van a conocer hasta que quemes en el fuego. Mujeres siempre vas a ganar. Tequila sunrise, con los ojos rojos un día vamos a morir escandaloso. Tequila sunrise, con los ojos rojos un día vamos a morir escandaloso. Tequila sunrise, ay, 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 tiempo vuela rápido, hijo, y by surprise. Mi pana se murió y a mí me dejó. Capitán de las movidas aquí, digo yo, trágate el gusano, cabrón. Soy el matón, si no me matas, te mato a ti como un ladrón. Confía en nadie, vengo para atrás y jamás me cruces a mí, porque yo tengo más. Me recuerdo lo que dijo Jesús: si quieres el dinero, paisa, tienes que ser primero. Que te peguen mis palabras, está listo para morir a todo tiempo, porque si no vas a sufrir. Tequila sunrise, con los ojos rojos un día vamos a morir escandaloso. Tequila sunrise, con los ojos rojos un día vamos a morir escandaloso.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now. In case you forgot or fell off, I'm still hot, knock your shell off. My money stacked fat, plus I can't turn the swell off. The franchise doing big business, I live this, it's automatic. I win this, so you hear those horns, you finish. A soldier, and I stay under you fighting. Plus I'm storming on you chumps like I'm thunder and lightning. Ain't no way you breaking me, kid, I'm harder than nails. Plus I keep it on lock like I'm part of the jail. I'm slaughtering stale competition. I got the whole block wishing they could run with my division, but they gone fishing with no bait. Kid, your boy hold weight. I got my soul straight, I brush your mouth like Colgate. In any weather, I'm never better. Your boy's so hot, you never catch me in the next man's sweater. If they hate, let them hate. I drop your whole clan. Lay your ass down for the 3-second tan. Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining now. You can't see me, my time is now.
It's gon' be what it's gon' be. 5 pounds of courage, buddy base, 10 pants with a gold tee. It's a war dance, a victory step. A boss stance is a gift, and you insist it's my rep. John Cena trademark, y'all are so-so. And talk about the bread you make, but don't know the recipe for dough. Aiming guns in all your photos, that's a no-no. When this pop, your lip lock, your big talks a blatant no-so. See what happens when the ice age melts. You see monetary status is not what matters, but it helps. I'm rocking Timepiece by Benny, if any. The same reason y'all could love me is the same reason y'all condemn me. A man's measured by the way that he thinks, not clothing lines, ice links, leather and minks. I spent 20 plus years seeking knowledge of self. So for now, Mark Breckers living life for wealth.
Your time is up, my time is now. You can't see me, my time is now. It's the franchise where I'm shining.